Open your eyes right now. Because right now, every passing minute, you're cheating yourself out of the last chance you'll ever have to turn a single $20 bill into a massive fortune in a matter of weeks. That's right, things are moving real fast, and you're about to miss out on what could be the last opportunity to amass a quick fortune through the red-hot cryptocurrency market. Because right now, everyday people, just like you, can still get started with a single $20 bill and generate tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars in a matter of weeks, sometimes even faster. And you can do the same. Starting with as little as $20, you can take advantage of the dozens of penny cryptocurrencies that are exploding in price right now and retire incredibly wealthy in a matter of months, usually less than a year. Best of all, to make this work, you don't need to know anything about cryptocurrencies. In fact, the less you know, the better, because you won't have any biased opinions. You don't need to know anything about banking or investing. You don't need a lot of money, only $20 to start. In fact, there's only 3 things you need to know to become rich in the cryptocurrency market. You need to know which coins to buy and when, which coins to sell and when, and which coins to hold on to. That's it. And the good news is that by the time you finish watching this short video, you'll know everything you need to get started right now and earning your first few dollars today. Now, let me be perfectly clear about something. This video is not about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as I'm sure you already know, is the most recognized cryptocurrency. It gained a lot of popularity after turning many regular people around the world into millionaires. The thing is, all the fast money in Bitcoin has already been made. I mean, it was easy to make a quick fortune with it back in 2010 when Bitcoin cost only a few pennies. But nowadays, well, you can forget about it. A single Bitcoin is worth more than $10,000 now, and making any decent money from it would require you to invest a small fortune. And for most people, well, that's a deal breaker. The good news is that while the mass media is keeping everybody else focused on Bitcoin, hundreds of smaller cryptocurrencies have popped up all around, more than 1,500 of them in fact. And those are the ones where the real money is being made today. Because unlike the very expensive Bitcoin, these newer digital coins are still trading for pocket change, and many of them are taking off faster than anyone could have predicted. Let me give you an example. There's one cryptocurrency called Verge. If you had invested a single $100 bill on it 4 months ago, today you'd be cashing out your investment for a whopping $57,136. 4 months. Think about it. That's just 16 weeks. Can you think of any other investment that shows profits like this? But Verge is not the only one. Let's take a look at another digital coin called Nexus. Had you invested $100 4 months ago, when it was trading for pennies, you'd have an extra $66,500 in your bank account today. And that's just from a tiny $100 investment. Now imagine if you got in with a little more, say $2,000. That's a decent investment. Well, if that had been the case, today you'd be looking at a $1.3 million payday. That's right, you'd be a millionaire today, all thanks to a single trade. And that's just the beginning, really. A coin called Stellar saw a massive jump in value and grew by 14,641% in the past 10 months. NEM increased by 28,020% in less than 1 year. And Ripple skyrocketed by 38,333% in the past few months. And the good news is that upward shifts like this are happening today, right now, and they're going to keep happening steadily for several different coins in the upcoming months. In fact, experts are predicting that a series of events that are unfolding right now could result in up to $1 trillion in new money from the growth of key cryptocurrencies alone. This massive growth will take place in a very near future, and it only means one thing. You are in the right place at the right time. And if you can swing even a tiny $20 investment, you could very well pack your bank account with retirement fortune just a few months from now. At $500 billion, cryptocurrencies are already the biggest economic boom in history. Bigger than the stock market boom in the 20s, bigger than the tech boom in the 90s, bigger than the housing boom in the 2000s. And believe it or not, it's about to get bigger. I'm talking supernova big. Simply put, this right here is your chance to cash in on the most important wealth creation bonanza that has ever existed. It's never been easier to turn even the smallest investments into life-changing money. Think about it for a minute. How differently would you live your life if every time you woke up in the morning, you were thousands of dollars richer? Where would you go on your next vacation? What kind of car would you drive? What sort of home would you like to live in? And what if you knew that all you did to make it happen was invest a single $20 bill at precisely the right time? Well, right now is the time to do it. Right now. Right now you're in the right place and at the right time. Right now is your opportunity to turn a tiny $20 investment into tens of thousands of dollars in a matter of weeks, sometimes even days. Right now is your chance to turn yourself into a crypto millionaire. Right now. It's all happening right now. And you're here and ready for it. That is the good news. Now, here's the bad news. Because yes, there is a downside to it. No matter how much it hurts, the truth is that this wealth creation shortcut won't last forever. Like all good things in life, it's going to come to an end. Nobody knows exactly when it's going to happen, but I do know that if you wait a year or two, you'll certainly be too late to the game. And when it's over, you won't come across another opportunity like it again. Not during your lifetime. This means that you're getting a small window of opportunity to act, and it's slowly but steadily closing with each passing day. And if you let it pass by, there's a good chance you'll regret it for the rest of your life. No need to worry though, because as I said before, you're in the right place and at the right time. And if you take action, you, like me, will have the ability to turn even small investments into massive earnings in a matter of a few weeks. My brand new hands-on training program will show you how to do it. You'll learn how and where to safely buy cryptocurrencies, how to know which coins to invest in, which ones to hold on to while their value rises, and which ones to steer clear from, how to pinpoint upward trends with surgical precision before they even happen, how to quickly identify scams and other schemes that could cost you dearly, and much, much more. In short, you'll acquire the knowledge you need to make smart investments, take advantage of the upcoming events that will skyrocket crypto prices, and most importantly, how to multiply your money exponentially in record time. Best of all, this really is a hands-on training. No fluff or filler, and no useless theory. Only critical core concepts and straightforward instructions on what to do, how to do it, and when to do it to produce maximum profits. And that's exactly what you need, right? A ready-to-deploy action plan that actually works and earns life-changing money fast. The kind of money that gives you the freedom and liberty to live life on your own terms. The kind of money that lasts for generations. And I am so certain that this training will get results for you because I'm absolutely certain that if you follow the simple action plan, you'll make your money back many times over with your first crypto trade. Now remember, the window of opportunity is slowly but surely closing in. And every day you wait, someone else is growing rich from cryptocurrencies. So much money is being made so fast that the world's biggest banks, financial institutions, and venture capital firms are all eyeing crypto as their next play. They move slow, but they're already on the move. And once they get in, the prices of crypto will skyrocket overnight, and it will be game over for tiny investors. But right now, the window is still open. Right now, you're in the right place and at the right time. Right now is the time to do it, and the faster you move, the more money you'll make. So don't wait a minute longer. Click the button below this video and start following the quick and easy action plan right now. For your own future's sake, don't let this crypto opportunity pass you by. Click the button right now and start living the life you know you deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.